Sister Maria, beloved Sister Vizia, and the teachers. We have had enough of hate and violence, and now we need to build a new future full of love and understanding. Good morning, one and all. Respected Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father Ratnakar, a parish priest of RCM Church Mandapeta, correspondent Sister Shiva, principal Sister Sini Jose, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Neha Varshika from class 9. Welcome you all on this auspicious occasion on behalf of, as we all know, we have gathered here this day of our beloved motherland. This day is one of the precious days for every Indian because we got independence successfully on 15th August 1947. Today is 15th August and we celebrate this day every year to remind our duties and responsibilities towards a nation. Invite our guest through her welcome speech.
Good morning to everyone. On this joyous occasion of our nation's Independence Day, it gives me immense pleasure to extend a heartfelt welcome to our esteemed Chief Guest, Reverend Father Ratnakar, the parish priest of Mandapeta Church. Father Ratnakar has always been a beacon of hope and a source of strength for our community. His unwavering commitment to serve and his readiness to help at any time have made a profound impact on all of us. We are deeply honored to have him with us today. As we gather here to celebrate the spirit of freedom and unity, it's truly fitting to have Father Ratnakar to hoist our natural guidance and compassionate heart remind us of the values that bind us together as a nation. So, dear sisters, teachers, and students, let us open our hearts and minds to the inspiring words of Father Ratnakar and let his message fill us with renewed hope and determination to serve our country and community with love and dedication. Once again, we welcome you, dear Father, and thank you for gracing us with your presence on this special day.
May I request our Chief Guest, Reverend Father Ratnakar, to hoist the flag, a symbol of our pride and freedom. I request all to rise for a
start.
Now the leaders of group houses will lead with the march past, honoring of Mother.
Attention! Salute! Order!
पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जगति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय
Strategy!
So I request Deekshit of class 8 come forward and lead us with the pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of teachers and all elders, respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity along lies my happiness.
Let heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake. out from the depth of truth into that heaven of freedom, my Father. Let my country awake. Let my country awake.
Correspondent, Vice Principal, teachers, non-teaching staff, workers, ayahs, for each and every one of you, I wish you happy, joyful 78th Independence Day. How are you this morning? Fine. Once when Abraham Lincoln died, so many people gathered, so many people, whole Americans. Then one child came along with their mother. What happened? Why so many people here gathered? One man he doesn't know whether he is left or not. He is sleeping or no, he died. He died for all of us. That mother told this child, that man only liberated from whites and blacks. He laid down his life for us, for all America. Now he's like this because of him only we liberated, he said. See, then the child again asked, why one cross is hanging there? Who is there? He is Jesus. He died for all country, all world he died. My dear children, just think about the past who worked hard to bring about freedom and they gave up their lives. For example, Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Abraham Lincoln, Bhagat Singh, and they ended their lives in order to give us lives. They sacrificed their lives for the good of others. యేసు ప్రభు ఒక మాట అంటాడు, తన స్నేహితుడి కోసం తన ప్రాణమును దారబోయడం దానికన్నా మెన్నైన ప్రేమ మరొకటి లేదంటున్నాడు. దే లేడ్ డౌన్ దేర్ లైఫ్స్ ఫర్ అస్. Great people, they sacrificed their lives. Dear friends and children, when we sacrifice only, we will get great things, my children. Nowadays we are seeing, are we really liberated from the clutches of caste, creed, race and gender? Let us think a while. Are we liberated from these things? Nowadays some children, I am sorry to say to you, I'm very sorry to say to you, but some children, you know already, yeah? Some children are not free from all cell phones. Yeah? So you have to make use of them, but bad is there, good is there. Yeah? But many are video games, busy with video games, yeah? Leaving aside studies. Some, not you, some are there like that. Yeah? Watching pornography. Children also. Let us, my dear children, keep away from all these things. Let us ask graces from above so that we may live like true citizens of this country.
Patriotic songs give people a feeling of nostalgia, a sense of belonging of motherland, strength and stability. People can be totally different, but when it comes to the compassion to their country, they stand as one. I request a choir to sing a patriotic song.
రఘురాముడు ఏలిన రాజ్యము ఇది సమతకు మమతకు సంకేతం, ఇది సమతకు మమతకు సంకేతం. గాంధీ పుట్టిన దేశం రఘురాముడు ఏలిన రాజ్యం, ఇది సమతకు మమతకు సంకేతం, ఇది సమతకు మమతకు సంకేతం. రఘుపతి రాఘవ రాజారాం, పతిత పావన सीताराम, ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको భేదాలన్నీ మరచి మోసం ద్వేషం విడచి మనిషి మనిషిగా బ్రతకాలి, ఏనాడు నీతికి నిలవాలి. మనిషి మనిషిగా బ్రతకాలి, ఏనాడు నీతికి నిలవాలి. బాబు ఈ కమ్మని వరమే మాకివ్వు, అవినీతిని గెలిచే బలమివ్వు, అవినీతిని గెలిచే బలమివ్వు. గాంధీ పుట్టిన దేశం, రఘురాముడు ఏలిన రాజ్యం, ఇది సమతకు మమతకు సంకేతం, ఇది సమతకు మమతకు సంకేతం. రఘుపతి రాఘవ రాజారాం, పతిత పావన सीताराम, ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान.
Say a few words about independence.
Chief guests, sisters, teachers, and parents, and all my dear friends. Today, we gather here to celebrate the day of immense pride and joy, the day our nation India achieved its independence. On this day, August 15, 1947, India broke free from the chains of colonial British rule, and we embarked a new journey as a sovereign, democratic and republic. Our freedom was not easily won. It is a result of decades of struggle, sacrifices and unwavering determination.
జ్యోతి అనే నేను సెంట్ యాన్ స్కూల్లో 9వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఈ 78వ స్వాతంత్ర్య దినోత్సవాన్ని పురస్కరించుకొని మన దేశ రక్షణలో సైనికుల పాత్ర అత్యంత కీలకం అనే విషయాన్ని గురించి వివరిస్తాను. భారతదేశం ఉపఖండం అంటే అమెరికా, ఆఫ్రికా, ఆస్ట్రేలియాల వలె ఖండాలుగా చెప్పదగినదన్నమాట. ఈ భారతదేశానికి కొన్ని వేల ఏళ్ల చరిత్ర ఉంది. అమూల్యమైన ఖనిజ సంపదలు, అపారమైన ప్రకృతి సంపదలు మన దేశంలో ఉన్నాయి. ఈ సంపదలపై కన్ను వేసి విదేశీయులు మన దేశంలో పాగా వేసి నక్కచిత్తులతో మన దేశంలో మనల్నే బానిసలు చేశారు. ఎందరో వీరుల త్యాగఫలంగా మన దేశానికి దాస్య విముక్తి కలిగింది, స్వాతంత్ర్యం వచ్చింది. ఈ స్వాతంత్ర్యాన్ని కాపాడటానికి ఎందరో వీర జవానులు పగలు రాత్రి మన దేశానికి కాపలా ఉంటున్నారు. శత్రు సైనికులు యుద్ధానికి వస్తే ప్రాణాలకు తెగించి మరీ పోరాడుతున్నారు. అటువంటి వీరులను, సైనికులను గౌరవించడం మన కర్తవ్యం. వారి కుటుంబాలకు మనం స్నేహస్తాన్ని అందించాలి. వారి కష్టసుఖాలలో భాగం పంచుకోవాలి. జవానుల కుటుంబాలకు మనం ఉన్నామని వారికి భరోసా ఇస్తూ వారిని ప్రోత్సహించాలి. ఈ స్వాతంత్ర్యాన్ని కాపాడటానికి మన వంతు బాధ్యతను మనం నిర్వర్తించాలని తెలుపుతూ ముగిస్తున్నాను.
Gratitude sweetens in the smallest moment. It's time to express gratitude to everyone who made this day special and succeed. Let's welcome K. Laspriya from class 9 to express her vote of thanks.
Good morning everyone. I am K. Laspriya, pleased to stand here to express my gratitude. As we conclude 78th Independence Day celebration, I am honored to stand before you and deliver the vote of thanks. First and foremost, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed principal, Sister Cindy Jose, for organizing this grand celebration. Your vision and dedication have made this event a huge success. Thank you, sister. I would also thank our honorable chief guest, Parish Priest, Reverend Father Ratnagar, for gracing this occasion with your presence. Your words have inspired us all, and we are truly honored to have you here today. Thank you, Father. I extend my sincere gratitude to our beloved sister, Vizaya, for your great effort, words of welcoming. Thank you, sister. My special thanks to you all our teachers, whose tireless efforts and hard work have made this event possible. Thank you, teachers. We are also grateful to our parents for your cooperation. Thank you, parents. I propose my thanks to our non-teaching staff for your effortless work. Thank you all. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the students who participated in the program for this success. Thank you all
for your great words of gratitude. Let's conclude today's celebration by singing the school anthem. I request all of you to rise and sing school anthem by the prayer group.
Shine in the light.